Now let's start with the chapter. In the beginning of the chapter, you see a newspaper clipping of the year 1987. Now, the situation actually talks of the state assembly elections in Haryana in the year 1987. Let's know the condition of Haryana. First of all, try and understand that since 1982, the state assembly elections in Haryana were won by a Congress government. But Devilal, the head of the Lokdal party, started with a campaign and called for Naya Yudh. That is a yudh, a fight against the existing political party, that is Congress. And he promised the people that once he comes in power, then he is going to waive the loans of these small farmers, businessmen and other such people. People got highly impressed by the promise that he made, and there was a sudden change in the election. The Lokdal, combined with other opposition parties, secured 76 seats out of the 90, and the Lokdal alone got 60 seats out of 90, which means a clear-cut majority. And the existing Congress government had to satisfy itself with just 5 seats. Well, after 4 days, when the government was made and Devilal became the Chief Minister of Haryana, he immediately announced the waiving of the loans of farmers and small businessmen. But as the time passed by, the people became unhappy with his rule, and after 4 years, when once again the elections were held in 1991, then the Congress government again came back to power and Devilal and his Lokdal were defeated. Which means elections are giving different results every time. People cannot be satisfied by one political party for a longer time. They gave time and chance to all political parties.